So in this video, let us test the number of options the present in the drop down. So what is the meaning of that? So as we have done earlier, let me use the Yahoo website and click create an account. And as we can see here, there are two drop downs. This is one of the drop down. So this is the code, country code drop down and the month drop down. Rest are text boxes. So we need just drop downs. So actually, how many number of items are present in the this drop down? We don't actually. Let us check this. And what about this month? Actually, there are 13 options. Actually, months are 12. Why 13 is this one? Birth month is also taken as one option. So total there will be 13 options. So how to do that? So as we have done earlier, the same process, just go to file, new project and all, and create new class, and the drop is class name, public static void main, and set property. These are all we know. Driver.get. So actually what is this URL is, I have directly passed this. So I have opened this and I copied this and paste it here. That's it. So now it begins here. So what we have done here is, I have taken select drop down, and I have used the select class, and I need to find the drop down. How? As we have done earlier. So how we can do that? Using by.id. It can be ID. It can, just a second. Let me show that. By dot. So as we can see here, dot. So these tag name, XPath, class, linked list name, a lot of options are there. So what I will select here is, let me take name only. We can use anything, no problem. But let me use name for simplicity. So what is the name of this first drop down? So let me take this drop down. So just go to right click on the drop down and click on inspect, and what is the name? Short country code. So let me copy this and let me paste it here. Name. So next, what is the next? List web element. So what is the meaning of this is, the list has many options. The list has many options. So what is the meaning of that is, so this is a list. So it has lot number of options in a single tag. So that's why we need to use list web element. So next, get options. What get options is, it will get, or it will take, it will fetch the options present in this drop down. So these are all options. It will get the options. Yes, so last one is list option drop down. So actually I have created a variable named as list option drop down, and I have used the size to get the size of the options. What is size is, so total number of present, it will display, or it will take the total number of items or options present in the drop down. So I have assigned it to drop down of type integer. Why integer? So it returns the how many number. Number means it returns as integer. So that's why I have taken integer. And I have printed this. Total number of item count in drop down code. Code list is drop down count. Drop down count. So I have used drop down count here variable. So I have passed it here. So the same method for this line of this line of code also. So what is the name of this month? So just let us check that. Inspect, the same method. Click here, birth month. So what is the name? So name is MM. So here it is. The name is MM. So I will take MM here. So the rest is same. So only change is, I have taken another variable name, because here object name is also different. Because there will be ambiguity. If I use it as drop down here also, it will be ambiguity. See here, it shows the red line. So what is the error here is, duplicate local variable. So what is duplicate variable? Here we have passed the list option drop down. Here also the same object or variable name. So that is a problem. So let me use it as drop down 1. So let us run this. Let us run as Java application. Java application. So this process will be same. Opened and all. But the difference is, okay. So wait for the page needs to be fully loaded. The page needs to be fully loaded. Just wait for that. After the page loading has been completed, just close or minimize this. So as we can see here, these two lines. The total number of item count in drop down code is 230. So what is the 230 meaning is, so the first drop down, that is this one. So actually there are 229 options and the plus 1. Just a second. No, actually it is 230 only, because it doesn't have any first option. It starts from Afghanistan, and there are how many number of items present, how many number of options, 230 options are there in this in that drop down. So what about this month? 13. So why 13? The same. So these are months, total number of months are 12 from Jan to December, and what this is about, why it is like that? Because of this birth month. This is also taken as one option. So 12 plus 1. So that's why the output came as 13. That's why the output came as 13. So we can use any number of drop downs. We can use any number of drop downs or options, anything. So this is how we can get the total number of options present in the drop down. In the next video we will see further.